Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are diving into a garden decision that has transformed our gardening design, and that is using raised beds. So let's get into it, and I'll discuss the reason why we went into raised beds and not planting directly into the ground. So here we have our clay soil, which presents some unique challenges for us gardeners. And clay soil is made up of tiny particles that clump together, creating a dense and compact structure. Well, this type of soil does have some nutrients in it. It can be incredibly hard to work with. And because of its density, clay soil does not drain well, which means it becomes waterlogged, and after a heavy rainfall that we've just had now, you will see that the excess moisture is just all sitting there. So this can suffocate your plant roots. It leads to root rotting and other issues, and this clay soil can become a rock solid foundation in dry conditions, and it makes it very hard for plants to establish their roots, and then it also makes it very hard for us to dig it and plant stuff in it. So what is the solution? That's where the raised beds come into play. You see my garden is raised off the ground with raised boxes. By planting in raised beds, we can control the soil quality and create a healthy environment for our plants. And here's just a few reasons why we made this choice. Number one, it does improve the drainage, and with raised beds it allows for a better drainage, preventing them to become waterlogged, and the soil within the raised structure is elevated, as you can see, which helps excess water actually flow away. Number two is basically the soil quality control, because we can fill our raised beds with a custom blend of soil that is rich in organic matter, and this offers our plants all the nutrients they need to thrive, unlike heavy clay. And as I said, we've just had a very heavy rainfall now, and this water is just sitting here and it's not getting soaked up. It is really getting muddy and mushy out here. And if you look at the raised beds, they're pretty dry because all that water has now gone to the bottom, and our plants won't have this root rot. The third tip is basically temperature. Raised beds tend to warm up a little bit faster than the ground in spring, meaning we can start planting earlier and extend our growing season. Tip number four is they are much easier to reach and maintain, reducing the strain on our backs, as well as our knees when we actually come to harvest. And then the last tip that I can give you guys is that this allows for pest management. So raised beds can help deter certain pests, keeping our plants a little bit safer. So basically, in summary, while clay soil can be a challenge for growing crops, using raised beds allow us to just bypass those issues and create a flourishing garden space. So if you're dealing with a similar soil condition, we highly recommend giving raised beds a try. So if you guys have found this video helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos, and we will definitely see you in the next video.